Hello, welcome back to the Chess Mindset. In this video, I have yet another mate into puzzle for white. So this one is white to move, right? And the black pawns are going down the board. So just to clarify any confusion. Now, if you want to have a go at this before I talk about the solution, then pause the video right now and think about the solution. Remember, this is a checkmate in 2 puzzle, okay? Just to keep that in mind. Okay, so hopefully now you've had a chance to look at this. And if you're thinking why I said at the end this is a checkmate in 2 puzzle, that's because there's actually a few checkmates that you can do here, but only one of them will be checkmate in 2. There's actually quite a few others that are checkmate in 3. And I'm going to go over those a bit later in the video. But first, I'm going to talk about the solution to this puzzle. And the solution is this very beautiful queen to d6. And I'm going to talk about this later. Right, first I want to have talk about a few other moves that you might have thought of. So in this puzzle, we notice that this king is pretty much stuck here, right? Our king is covering all these squares. So if we can somehow bring our rook to b8, then this will be checkmate. Or even our queen to b8, this will be checkmate, right? Or b7. So let's just try that, right? Rook to b1. So now what can they do? Well, we're threatening to play rook to b8, right? If they play something like this, it doesn't work because now our queen can come in and this is checkmate. So the only thing they have is literally d6, right? And now they have this escape square. So if we go rook to b8, they can escape here. And then this doesn't really work because we don't have a checkmate. So what can we do here? Well, queen to h7, that is the move. And we're basically threatening to play rook b8. And actually there's nothing they can do here, right? Let's say they move this pawn. Well, we can still play rook to b8 and this is checkmate, right? The queen covers the 7th rank and the king can't escape and they can't take the rook. So this will be checkmate. So no matter what they do, if they go after our queen, then same thing. We're just going to play rook to b8, and since our queen covers this entire 7th rank, this will be checkmate. So queen to h7 was the crucial move, but this will be a checkmate in 3, and we don't want that, right? We want a checkmate in 2. Now, another idea is to play queen to h3, and the idea is that, okay, let's say they move their rook, then we're just gonna do this, right? Queen to d7, and this is checkmate, right? King can't escape. So they have to do something else, right? They can't move their rook. Well, what if they move the pawn? Well, now this is interesting because now we can play this very nice move, queen to b3, and now we're threatening to play queen to b7 checkmate, or queen to b8 checkmate as well, right? So whatever they do now, let's just say they play a rook move, then we're just going to play queen to b8, and that's checkmate. And if they play something like this, then this will be checkmate as well, right? So they can't really do anything here. If they play king here, then we still have queen to b8, b7 checkmate, because this rook covers this square, right? It covers this d6 square. So this will also be a 3 move checkmate. But let's just move on to the 2 move checkmate now, right? The solution was queen to d6. And this is very interesting because now our opponent is actually in ZUGZWANG. And ZUGZWANG means that they have to make a move that is going to be bad for them. They have no other choice, right? If they take our queen, then we can just give checkmate with rook to c1 because our king cuts off these squares, right? So the king can't escape. Now, if they don't take our queen, what can they do? Well, if they move their rook, let's say anywhere, then we can now take this pawn and this is checkmate, right? Because this is just like they can't stop this. So they can't move their rook and they can't take out queen. What can they do? Well, the only other move they have is pushing this pawn. And it doesn't matter how many squares they push it, right? We're just going to play queen to b8 and this is checkmate because the king can't escape. So yeah, hopefully this puzzle was quite interesting because we basically sacrificed our queen to give this nice checkmate. But yeah, there were some other like checkmate in 3 ideas. I think there was like a few more, not just like these 2 moves, but yeah, there was like some other moves, I'm pretty sure, but we're not going to talk about those because this is a checkmate in 2 puzzle anyway. So hopefully you enjoyed this puzzle, and yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see more puzzles specifically, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.